Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to save a project in Canva. To get the point across, let me just create a new design. Now you will actually see that here in the top left corner of the screens it will display all changes saved. And that basically gives us the answer on how to save in Canva. It is actually all done automatically for you. Now to demonstrate that, let me just quickly choose a picture here in the Photos library of Canva. I will just drag and drop that inside of the project. And while I do so, please have a look at that section here where it now says all changes saved. Focus on what's happening there. I will just drag and drop that picture here. And as you have probably seen, it will quickly say saving changes and then just change to all changes saved again. So the key takeaway here is that Canva will do all the work for you. Canva is always going to save what you're doing. So you don't really need to manually save your project. However, you can save your project manually as well. Just go to File here and then go to Save. But usually next to save you will already see that all the changes have already been saved. Also, you can save to a specific folder if you are working on several projects. You can easily add your current project to an already existing folder like that. Canva is actually not the only program that works this way. For instance, if you are familiar with Google Docs, it's exactly the same thing there. Whenever you're going to write something or adjust something in your text, Google is actually going to automatically save your changes in Google Docs. It's really that simple, guys. That's all you need to know about saving in Canva. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.